Alright, so I have 4 more Scrawler boxes to open. Only gonna do one today. I am picking one at random. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, this is the one I'm opening. This is February 2023 Scrawlrbox. Eventually, I will get through all of them. Eventually. And this one is it's a leaf. It is a leaf. All right, we have paper, and then organic origins sticker. All right, let's see what we have. We have these acrylic, I guess acrylic, and then a black paint marker, I suppose. I don't know. Let me look at the cheat sheet. Cheat sheet says that we have stuff. We have stuff. Okay. I don't know what to make at all. I guess I'll figure something out. Alright, so I was just futzing around with swatching and seeing what kind of color variety I could get. I just really like the textures here and how you can overlap it. And this is not my piece, but I was fooling around and I thought I'd share it because it doesn't, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, so we have yellow, blue, they make a nice green. The black and the yellow actually make this kind of grayish brown color, which I really like too. So I'm still not sure what I'm gonna do. It might be something similar to this though.
Take me anywhere that you want. I don't even care if we come back again. And as long as the stars are shining above us, then I just wanna be where you are. I don't wanna close my then I might miss a moment of you. And as long as the sun just wanna be where you are. 'Cause with you I feel no fear, and when you hold me all my wounds are healed. When I'm with you I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need to escape. And I know I just wanna be where you are. I know everything has an end, and I know that we are not getting any younger. But as long as there is time, I will walk beside you. 'Cause I just wanna be where you are. 'Cause with you I feel no fear, and when you hold me all my wounds are healed. When I'm with you I feel safe. There is no pretending, no need to escape. Then I know I just wanna be where you are. No pretending, no need to escape. And I know I just wanna be where you are.
Alrighty, I have finally finished my piece. I spent way too much time on this, and that's not a bad thing. I just really got lost in it. Not exactly sure how this fits into the prompt, but I have nothing bad to say about these products. They were fun to use. Would have been nice to have a red in this color, but it's okay. The limited palette worked because this offered me a lot of variety too, the black and the white. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.